Okay, here's my RC helicopter, and I'm gonna have fun. Good thing about this thing is that it's almost indestructible. Oh boy. Daggone it.
Hit the little button. I don't know what the little button does.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's for firing bullets that I don't have. Jeez.
Oh, is that right there?
No. Better walk away from it. Chop the spider web off.
Go for a landing.
Well, landed on the hockey table. Daggone it. Hey, had a soft landing. That wasn't no soft landing.
No. Oh, oh.
Ah, dang. I wanted to get that chandelier.
No. Bottom view. Top view.
Hey, it came back over to me. Top view it.
Oh!
You're not supposed to get in the way, cameraman.
Well, you got my fingers.
Not to get you. Pretty decent battery.
Yeah.
It landed. Turn. So landed on top of the dog cage. I'm gonna get you, little doggies.
Oh! another trailer for you.
Nah.
Why not? Oh, lucky.
Nah.
Turned it. See if you can land it on top of there.
Nah.
Why, you lose it?
Yeah. I'd land it and then it'd die. Turn.
You're dying. Look, it's blowing all that stuff up under.
No.
Whoa!
Watch out. Oh. Meow. Little dude's quick. Sorry about to die.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's down. Watch out! Dominic, you would have been a perfect landing. Stop.
Stomp on the wings while I watch you.
Dead. Yep. Well, there's my RC helicopter. Hope you had fun watching. See ya. Subscribe, like, and comment.
And done.